Welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create watermark in your CapCut. So if you want to create watermark with your text and also with your image, continue watching. If you find this video useful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe our channel. First of all, let me create a watermark with a text. So I am now selecting text tool and drag and drop the text tool here and write something. Let's say I'm writing watermark here just to show you how it looks. Apply a font from here. Let's say this one. I'm applying this font, and now if you want to watermark, what you have to do, just simply create a compound clip, because without creating the compound clip we cannot apply the overlay effect. So right click here and create compound clip. So it's now transferred to compound clip, and then select the clip and choose video and scroll down and choose blend here and select overlay. Very nice. It's now, you can see watermark is already done. If you'd like to play with the opacity, you can do that too. You can see you can adjust the opacity if you want. Now let me show you how to create a watermark with an image. So click media here and you can see tag to it is my logo. If I just drag and drop, adjust where you would like to place. Let's say I would like to place the logo here. Let's say here. And then first of all, we need to adjust the image where I want it. So let's say I want there. And now first of all, we need to remove the background because it's not transparent. So to remove the background, select remove BG and chroma key and choose the pen icon, and there you go. Adjust the intensity a little bit and perfect. Here it is. Now what you need to do, select the image, right click, create compound clip, and now select video, choose basic and blend, choose the overlay. You can see it's now turned to overlay and the image is now added as overlay. You can drag and drop to adjust the placement where you would like to place. You can see the overlay is now placed. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button to inspire me. Keep watching. Thank you.